Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep your old number on GiffGaff. First, you want to load up the browser on your phone and Google search for keep old number GiffGaff. Now you will click on this first website that pops up, joining us, keep your existing number. Now the first step will be texting PAC to this number from your old UK SIM, not your GiffGaff one. So you want to make sure that your old SIM is inserted into your phone, and you will type this. Alright, so after you have done this, it is going to tell us that we need to activate our GiffGaff SIM card on the activation page. You will get a temporary number for the time being. Alright, so once you receive the temporary number from PAC, you will click on activation page. And you want to activate your SIM right here by typing your code or activation number. Okay, once we have done this, you will pop over to the number transfer page and enter your PAC. So the the activation number from GiffGaff you will receive for the SIM itself, and the PAC number which you receive from texting this number, you need to enter right here, number transfer pin. It is going to ask us to log in. So we will log into our GiffGaff account and then type it. When you enter your PAC, you'll be asked to pick a number transfer day. That day you have intermediate service from your old provider and GiffGaff up until 9 p.m. And once you have done this, your number is going to move over to GiffGaff. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.